Do you keep killing every indoor plant you buy? You're not alone. Most beginners think growing houseplants is difficult, expensive, and time-consuming. But the truth is, some indoor plants are almost impossible to kill. These plants can survive low light, missed watering, dry air, and even beginner mistakes that would destroy most houseplants. In today's video, we're revealing 5 of the best indoor plants for beginners that practically thrive on neglect. These easy care plants are perfect for apartments, bedrooms, offices, and anyone who wants a beautiful green home without the stress. Some of these plants can survive for years with very little attention while still looking fresh, healthy, and stunning. If you want indoor plants that stay alive no matter what, then this list is exactly what you need. Stay until the end because the final plant is considered one of the toughest house plants in the world and almost impossible to kill. Let's get started. Number 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is one of the toughest indoor plants you can own, making it perfect for beginners. Its tall, upright leaves add a modern and stylish look to any room while requiring almost no maintenance. This plant survives low light, bright light, missed watering, and dry indoor air better than most houseplants. Even if you forget about it for weeks, the snake plant can still continue growing. Many people also love it because it helps improve indoor air quality and releases oxygen at night, making it ideal for bedrooms. In 2026, rare varieties with yellow edges and twisted leaves are becoming even more popular among plant lovers. Snake plants grow slowly, which means they stay neat and manageable for years. They also work beautifully in small apartments, offices, and modern homes. If you are new to indoor gardening and want a plant that is almost impossible to kill, the snake plant is easily one of the best beginner-friendly choices available today. Number 2. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is famous for surviving conditions that would destroy many other indoor plants. Its glossy, dark green leaves create an elegant and luxurious appearance while requiring very little care. This plant tolerates low light extremely well, making it perfect for apartments, offices, and rooms with limited sunlight. One of the biggest reasons beginners love the ZZ plant is its drought resistance. You only need to water it occasionally because the plant stores water inside its thick underground rhizomes. In fact, overwatering is usually the only thing that harms it. The Raven ZZ variety, with its nearly black leaves, is especially trendy in 2026 and looks amazing in modern interiors. Another advantage is its slow growth, which helps maintain a tidy appearance without constant maintenance. If you travel often or sometimes forget to care for your plants, the ZZ plant is one of the safest and easiest options you can own as a beginner indoor gardener. Number 3. Pothos. Pothos is one of the easiest and fastest-growing indoor plants for beginners. Its long, trailing vines instantly make homes feel greener, cozier, and more relaxing. This plant adapts well to different lighting conditions, including low light and bright indirect sunlight. It also forgives inconsistent watering better than most houseplants. Even if the leaves start drooping from dryness, they usually recover quickly after watering. One reason pothos is so popular is because it grows rapidly and can easily be propagated in water. Beginners love watching new roots form and creating more plants for free. In 2026, varieties like Marble Queen, Neon Pothos, and Cebu Blue are becoming especially trendy because of their unique leaf colors and textures. Pothos can grow in hanging baskets, shelves, desks, or wall planters, making it incredibly versatile for home decor. If you want a beautiful indoor plant that grows quickly and survives beginner mistakes easily, Pothos is one of the best plants you can start with. Number 4. Spider plant. The spider plant is another nearly indestructible houseplant that beginners absolutely love. Its long, arching green leaves with white stripes create a fresh and energetic look indoors. One of the most exciting things about spider plants is how they produce baby plants called spiderettes that hang from long stems like tiny decorations. These babies can easily be propagated into new plants, making spider plants both fun and rewarding to grow. They tolerate a wide range of indoor conditions, including low light, inconsistent watering, and changing temperatures. In 2026, curly spider plant varieties are becoming especially popular because of their unique twisted leaves. Spider plants are also known for helping improve indoor air quality, which makes them a common choice for bedrooms and offices. They grow quickly without demanding much attention, making them ideal for busy beginners. If you want a cheerful indoor plant that multiplies easily and survives almost anything, the spider plant is an excellent beginner-friendly option. Number 5. Peace Lily. The peace lily combines elegance with surprisingly easy care, making it one of the best beginner indoor plants in 2026. Its glossy green leaves and graceful white flowers instantly brighten indoor spaces, while creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Peace lilies thrive in medium to low light, which makes them perfect for apartments and rooms without strong sunlight. One reason beginners love this plant is because it clearly shows when it needs water. The leaves droop dramatically when thirsty, but they quickly recover after watering, making care simple to understand. Peace lilies are also known for their air-purifying qualities and are often placed in bedrooms and living rooms. While they enjoy slightly moist soil, they are generally forgiving if you occasionally forget watering. Compact varieties are especially popular this year because they fit beautifully in modern homes with limited space. If you want an indoor plant that flowers beautifully while remaining low maintenance and beginner-friendly, the peace lily is one of the best choices available today. Those were 5 of the best indoor plants for beginners that are almost impossible to kill. These plants are popular for a reason. They survive low light, missed watering, and common beginner mistakes while still making homes look fresh, vibrant, and stylish. Whether you love tropical jungle vibes or minimalist modern decor, these easy-care plants can completely transform your indoor space without requiring expert gardening skills. The best part is that caring for plants can also reduce stress and make your home feel more relaxing and alive. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more indoor plant tips, houseplant care guides, and home decor inspiration. Also, let us know in the comments which beginner plant is your favorite or which one you want to grow next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.